Oh my God. Y'all, look at how many fucking helicopters. This shit kind of reminds me. It's like 4 helicopters. Do you guys see this shit? Do you see this shit? This is I've never experienced this. Not here, not ever. Where are they going? What are they doing? Look at this shit. This looks creepy. They're, what the fuck? I know you see these people, bro. I know you see these fucking helicopters. Like, hold on. I'm gonna try to walk a little faster so I can kind of get a glimpse of them. Look, they look like they're heading right over my house, like where I'm residing at right now. Look at that shit. That's 4 helicopters. They are. Oh my God. Why is it 4 of them though? That's what I don't seem to understand. And I actually heard these noises earlier this morning, and I kind of ran out. Believe it or not, I ran out in my underwear. Because I was like, oh, fuck no, I haven't heard a helicopter fly over me in almost 2 years. Wow, that's crazy. Y'all, what y'all think about that shit? Wow.